Hi friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian. Welcome back. Once again, I brought for you the new collections from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. If I talk about the season, the summer season, we expect the comfortable cotton preferred by the fabric where we feel to wear very easily the cotton collections. The Kesaria's Textile is also giving you a manufacturing cost which starts from only 95 rupees. So the video will be very helpful to you. If you are into a really only doing for a cotton saree business, these collections will give you a profitable where you can see a well margin business, I can tell you. So subscribe this channel, and for the regular updates please keep watching. So as I said, today I'm going to show you, first I want to show you the cotton. Here is a stock at my back end. You can see here the multiple bunches of collections over here. So the cotton, if I talk about 100% cotton manufacturers, where with this such a beautiful catalog base you can see over here. So there is a color options also, you can find out every saree, you can find this color chart. So, and there is a photocopy also, and there is a code with the collections of color chart and how many collections each catalog based, and each fabric you find out the designs and the color, and depend on the pastel colors, everything you can find out very easily. And these collections you are buying directly from manufacturers at factory cost, so easily for reselling it will be very helpful. So I can show you the kalamkari based printed floral based collections, mini butta floral printed border sarees, so small print, multicolor, digital printed sarees, many more varieties are there. Let's see some samples over here. The first sample, the cotton saree, if I talk about the color pattern, the combination of the color is the onion pinkish color with the coffee brown with the mini border, and you can see a multiple star printed, mini printed come with the big floral printed base. Such beautiful collections of cotton summer season varieties. Such varieties you can buy very easily, and here is you can see the sarees. So this is a pallu of the sari, how the dark color combination which is highlighted. Many more varieties, and the trending in stylish casual wear look sarees of multi design with a multi-color pattern. If I show about this saree also. So cotton is very most demanded for 365 days. Cotton everyone prefers, and it suits very comfortable to the all skin tone, I can say. So such a beautiful casual printed come this designer sarees of this cotton printed you can buy. And if we talk about the simple sober classy print, mini butta print with a pastel color with a dark contrast brinjal color combination, and every saree you can find out there's a code mentioned over here and saree meter. If I talk about the saree length, it's very most important. When you're buying from a manufacturer, you can buy 550 meters, 630 meters with blouse, without blouse we do have. So based on your requirement, you can buy n number of collections. So this is the saree body part, how the small butta print has given. And if I talk about the quality and the how it the quality will be, there no need to worry because you're buying from the manufacturing cost. So bunches of collections of stock here. So every retailers you can buy, and easily you can have a margin and you can see the profit. Evergreen bandhani print, which is most demanded in all states, which is bandhani print of red color with the dark yellow color, orange color base with the highlighted with the border. So such beautiful varieties are demanded at the market, and based on the demanded collections only, the manufacturers collection preparing and giving at the market, and they can easily, it is a very fast moving collections. And we do have a dark contrast colors also with multicolor. There's a dark brinjal color combination with a pinkish color with rama green color. So multi design with a multi printed, and here is you can see your beautiful pallu. Here you can see. So simple sober to fancy printed collections also we do have, from regular home wear to office wear. People prefer cotton. And if I talk about the summer season, mostly and fast moving collections where you can see these collections, and the formal classy for the formal look for the office like clerks where teachers, professors where prefer such blue color with white color base different. Always the white goes with every color, which is a color combination. Such a beautiful, you can see here the print, and here is a running blouse with a border. So such blouses you can find out with a running blouse, and you can see directly the running blouse in the sari. sometimes it has kept like this. And if I talk about the dark color, which is a mehndi color combination with dark orange come yellow color with multi border designer sarees. So cotton sarees, if you need, if we talk about design, every design you can see 40 to 50 designs in every pattern. So this is also one more pattern. So every sari you can see the color chart and you can see the color options, and every unique designs you can buy from the manufacturers. And how I can do shopping? You can directly visit, I can tell, please visit once Kesaria Textile, which is located at Surat, which is Millennium Textile Market Building number 1 Ring Road, which is located at Surat. So directly visit, please touch and feel the fabric, and you will have many more ideas to start with a small mini investment to high unexpected. You can have your own business module and you can see a profit. And textile is a business where you can see every day it's demanded in everyone's life, where many more new varieties people are demanding, right? So if you couldn't travel to Surat, it is long distance, I couldn't travel, go ahead for the online shopping. We do have an online sales team to coordinate with you. Just one call, WhatsApp call to communicate. Every details you can get in the WhatsApp through, and you can have your live video chat also, live video shopping also. So subscribe the channel, and we do provide the transport and shipping also with safe and secure for pan India as well as NRI also. So if you're really interested to have a clothing business at your country also, you can invest directly, tie up with the manufacturers. Kesaria Textile is giving you many more segments with many more business model. You can start your business. So please let me know in the comment box how this summer season collections of cotton sarees. If you really liked it, go ahead for online shopping. So next video I'll soon come up with many more new collections with informations. Subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Till then, take care. Bye bye.